Also in healthy living, when things like sports and ballet collide with growing pains. Medical literature shows between 10 and 35% of kids will have the limb pains at least once, and they can be especially tough for the physically active child. It's why I tapped into Mercy Health's Performing Arts Medicine program for guidance.
Turn out, turn out, turn out, turn out. Good.
Ballet takes technique, something 14-year-old twins Angie and Anabelle de Nuez have worked to perfect, even through challenges like growth spurts.
Sometimes, people say, you just grew overnight, but sometimes it really does feel like the night between one day and the other. In the morning, you'll wake up and you're just so tight, and you can't move. It's sore, and then you feel like you have to change your technique because to work with your body, and then it gets really painful sometimes.
There are people out there who say no such thing as growing pains. What do you say to that?
I say that's absolutely incorrect.
Jackie Haas is in Performing Arts Medicine with Mercy Health. She has seen young dancers like the twins grow 3 or 4 inches in a year.
It tightens up the muscles because the bones grow a little faster than the muscles do. Stretch. It's a challenging time. They just have to slowly work through it.
She says a combination of static stretches over weeks can help.
Lift those heels up into your calves. Stretch.
She also says if pain moves into the tendons and the attachment at the bone, you're looking at potentially bigger issues.
Do you have to ease up, slow down?
Yeah, I think slowing down is important. They want to be doing what the other kids are doing, but it's hard, it hurts, it's painful. So they need to back off a little bit.
Call it a dose of patience with all the practice. Angie and Anabelle seem to have come through it just fine. They're on point with their passion. Most of the literature suggests growing pains typically set in around age 12, but it also suggests the pain isn't necessarily from growth alone. We will be talking more about that tonight on 9 on Your Side at 7 with 2 guests from Mercy Health who will have tips for families working through preteen and teen, shin pain, thigh pain, you name it.